Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna brighten the screen. I don't know why the screen keep on the brightness keep on get dark all the while. The gauge always a go down. Hello, good morning. How are you doing? Thank God we slept and we wake up this morning, guys. I couldn't do no live last night. Them a test out the sound 6 p.m. When me listen me ear sound turn on. Me couldn't do no live. I really wanted to do the live, but me couldn't do no live because I pay nice. Hi baby, how are you? Thank you for joining my live. I am back. I'm happy you're back. How are you doing this morning? Silent watchers, big up yourself. Thank you for joining my live. Yes, so baby, if you're a content creator, just watch a little video so that I can come over on your side. And guys, if you want watch hours, let me know so I can watch your playlist on the TV. Yeah, I can do that for somebody, you know. If you're looking for watch hours, you're close to monetization and you're looking for watch hours, let me know so that I can play your playlist on the TV so you can get the watch hours up. So baby say I slept at 3:30 a.m. Oh, because I have homework. Okay, I slept for 3 hours. Oh, you slept for 3 hours. So, you go to bed late. You go to bed late because normally a person should sleep like what, 8 hours? Cause them say when you sleep 8 hours, you get yeah. So good morning. So you're supposed to sleep for 8 hours. So why 3 hours? I got a notification that you are live. So I joined your live stream. Oh, my school is at 7:25. That's why. Oh, your school is at 7:25. So what time is it now? Is it, are you trying to say it's 3:30 over there now where you are? They should be sleeping. You should be in bed sleeping. Yeah. So, thank you for the like. You should be in bed sleeping. If it is 3:30 a.m. now, you say you have to do homework 3:30 a.m. So you're supposed to do your work from earlier and then go sleep. I am a subscriber, that's why. Yes, I know you're a subscriber. Hi Annie, how are you doing today? How are you? Thank you for joining. Thank you for being a subscriber, my darling. Yeah, but if you try and see if you can go bed early so you can get a good sleep, get a good night's rest. Thank you, Annie, for joining. How are you? Thank you so much. Good afternoon, host. It's good afternoon for you. It's morning here in Jamaica. It's 5:50 a.m. It's afternoon for you, Annie, and good morning for me. Thank you so much, Annie, for joining. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you, baby, for joining. Baby, you have to go to bed early. Like done. Thank you for the like, Annie. Thank you for joining. Yeah. So baby say good afternoon. Saying good afternoon to Annie. Yeah. So Annie sending up some emojis and baby saying sending up some eye emojis to Annie. Thank you so much guys for supporting my live stream. Baby say why is Annie a mod? Oh, you want to be a mod as well? Alright, so I am not kidding. Oh, I actually liked. Oh, thank you. I actually liked. Baby say, yeah, sure. Baby done. Baby done. Thanks. You're welcome. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I am just my day here for like a little time because I carry my daughter go to school. So me say me start the live and well for right now me I look for persons who want watch hours to help them reach the goal. Yeah. So one person at a time. Persons who have them playlists already and they're looking for watch hours. So I would run your playlist and then you will see an improvement in your watch hours. Yeah. So you're close to monetization and you're looking for watch hours. So baby is saying I think Annie left. Oh my god. Everyone that is in the live stream liked. Yes. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for joining. Hope all is well. Happy new week. If it's the first time you're seeing me for this week, it's Tuesday. Where I am, it's Tuesday. Some places around the world, it's probably Wednesday already. Yeah. Some persons are on Wednesday already. Yeah. So, oh, baby say four like three view. Oh, okay. Thank you for joining, baby. If you're a content creator, I not remember, so may I go come over on your side to support you as well. Yeah, so yesterday I never get to do no live in the evening hours because they were playing music, but hopefully this evening I can do my 6 p.m. live and thing. All Sunday me really want to come do me live, yeah, because I'm supposed to do a comedy skit and a poem and then chill and chat with the audience, but through the music they had like round robin, you know So it was pure nice. So you know the copyright, you know, me live close to like two bars, one on the left, one on the right. So if the one then I play music, the other one I play music, or them I keep something, you know. So I just said set up. So the Q&A is here. The Q&A is here. Yeah, so baby say I am changing my name. Okay. You know, me just see that go say that a while ago, you know. Yeah, you can change your name, yes. What do you have in mind? I am back. You can change your name, yes, baby. The baby sound baby-ish. Yeah. The baby sound baby-ish, man. Yeah, but still, thank you for the like, guys. The Q&A in my face again. And it now move, you know. Now move to the side. Lord of mercy. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, so I said set up. So the Q&A, guys, you can also comment on the Q&A as well. It's not working. Oh, you changed your name already, baby? So quick? Oh, okay. Thank you for the like. Hello, good morning. How are you? Hot guy. Hot guy, say yes. Thank you for joining. Now it's working. Hey, boy. Oh, it's a planner. Okay. Yeah. Spontaneous. Look if my next one don't charge up. Yeah. So good morning. So what happened to the comment that was here a while ago? Oh, you deleted that one. Do you have YouTube? I am on YouTube. Do you have YouTube? See, play talking to you. Hot guy. So good morning, guys. So that is what I want to do. You know, for persons who normally comes to my live stream, you know, it would be nice to help others to reach their goal. So, you know, I have been helping though. I've helped a few persons already, but I still want to help more persons as well to reach their goal. So meanwhile I am watching, you still have to put in the work, as in if you go live, you continue to go live, you still post your videos, still do your shorts same way, so your watch hours can improve, right? So I'll be watching playlists, guys. So you watch a little video for me and you leave a comment saying you need help with watch hours. Put a heart emojis so that me can find you easily. With the heart emojis there, I will find you easy. So baby say bye. Thank you baby for joining. Thank you so much. Yeah, so hot guys say, are your speaker broken? Whose speaker is broken? Nothing is wrong with the speaker. Nothing is wrong with the speaker. Yeah. I was using the headset last night, but I don't think nothing wrong with it. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing, guys. That's what I'll be doing, you know, helping persons to get their watch hours up and things like that. In the meantime, while still doing my live and stuff like that, you know. So you're working on watch hours, I will run your playlist. You'll get a next subscription from that account, Shavina Malcolm account. That's my daughter. So you guys will be getting a next so once you see that subscription come in with the C initial, the name I got there, Shavina Malcolm. Yes, I see Malcolm. Yeah, you know that's me watching. So me only can like a video on the TV. Me can't comment, right? Because it's her account, not mine. So me can subscribe and me can like a video, but me cannot comment, right? So once you see the subscription come in, you know say is A and I watching, right? Yeah. I have watched a lot of persons on it already. So, you know, if you're working on watch hours, just let me know so I can watch your playlist and you get some watch hours once you have your playlist set up already, right? So that's what I will do for persons, you know. If it's the first time you're coming over here as well, you know, I will still watch a playlist for you. Same way, no problem. I will watch a playlist for you. So once you're working on watch hours, just let me know so that I can watch your playlist for you to help with your watch hours. And guys, when you are working on watch hours, you supposed to watch you're not supposed to use your channel account to go over to person's channel to support, because your watch hours will be going down. You'll be losing watch hours, guys. So you have to use, like, go over with your handle, right? So meaning you have two accounts, right? So if per se your channel account is A slash that, your next account that you flip on, and you have to press done. When you flip over on the next account, you see it come up said done, you press done, because now you're flipping over to the next account and you want to use that account to go and support others, right? So you do it the right way, and so that your watch hours you won't tamper with your watch hours, right? Yeah, so That is what you'll have to do. So when you do it that way there, your handle will be showing when you go over to some persons, instead of your original account. Yeah. So you will be still getting the subscribers same way, but you go over with your handle. Yeah. So that you won't lose any watch hours. So thank you, Annie, again. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for coming over and supporting A&I. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, baby. Thank you, hot guy. Thanks to all the persons who show up for me this morning. Silent watchers, big up yourself, you know. Sometimes I want to come live, but I don't want to come live when music a play because I can't go unmute the mic. Yeah. So because of that, I rather just go over, go support persons when music a play. Me just go over and support others during that time when music playing. Let's see this storefront. Okay. Yeah. So. So that's what I'll do for persons who are looking for watch hours. So I'll be going live so that persons who are looking for watch hours, I can know who they are as well. Hi, how are you, John? How are you doing this morning? I did chuck me there, I listen I want chuck and make pain eyes. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining my live. I don't know your language. Oh, it's okay, princess, but you are very beautiful. Oh, thank you. Oh, you are beautiful as well. Not to worry. Yeah, you're nice. Yeah, nice. So guys, if per se, thank you for joining my live. Yeah, thank you so much, even though you don't know my language. Let me see, mul, is it mul? Thank you for joining. Yeah, I'm just gonna say the last part of it. 99972. Is it mut? Yo. So yeah, so that's what I'll be doing as well for persons who, because you know, it is good to help others, you know. It is good to help others. So I have been doing that. So I will continue to do that same way. So it don't really matter if per se you help someone and you're not really help a person because you want them to stay with you. I like to see people if per se you help a person and the person moves on, nothing is wrong with that. It is good when a person moves on. Sometimes they might come back to your channel to support you at times. That is good. you know. But it is good when persons, you help them and they move on, they, you know, that is also good. So, you know, you just want to know, say, yeah, do the right thing by helping others, yeah. So that's what I'll be doing as well. So anybody looking for watch hours, let me know so that we can play your playlist so you can get watch hours up. You're close to monetization, and you need watch hours. Probably say you only have like 1,000 something watch hours you reach, or you reach 2,000, or you're near 2,000. Yeah, them thing there, are you the 2,000 something watch hours, and you know you need the help to go up further. Yeah, just let me know, watch a little video, leave a comment, leave the emoji, the heart emoji, because when you do it like that, me not have to go and look for the comment. It's gonna come right to the front of the phone once the heart emoji is there. So just let me know, guys, so I can come over and support you as well. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing as well for persons. Apart from that, I am still gonna do my comedy skit and my poem, original poem and comedy skit, right? So guys, come out for A&I and support A&I. Yeah, so that's supposed to be on a Friday night, late night, 11:30. My midnight live would have started 12 o'clock, but I'm gonna start like 11:30. And on a Sunday, so it's supposed to be Sunday and Friday, 6 p.m. on a Sunday. I never do it Sunday because music did I play. They had round robin on Sunday, so I never get to do it Sunday. So sometimes these things happen, guys. So we can't do much about it, you know. We have to just sit it out until, yeah, because you know other persons have to do their thing. So yeah, so once music I play, me just support somebody else and stuff like that, so that, yeah, because me can't go unmute the mic while going live with the music in the background. Yeah, so guys, on Sunday 6 p.m. I'll be doing that, and on Friday night, late night live, I'll be doing that. So I'm gonna see, you know, you guys can tell me how I did, yeah, eventually. So I'm gonna do that, and then we will see how it works out eventually, because yeah, I'm not gonna say me have it, but you know, guys, you have to try different things at times, but hopefully everyone will like or love what A&I does on here. Yeah, so yeah, so guys, I'm gonna just leave the live running for a bit. I'm gonna look see how far my data reach. I look boat, I get ready to go school, so I have to keep monitor so that she hurry up before you get late. Yeah, so you can comment in the comment section and say I do need watch hours, watch a little video, and just leave your comment and tell me you're looking for watch hours. Leave the heart emoji and I'll come over to your side. I will subscribe from my phone still, watch a little video, and I'll be telling you that I'm gonna watch your playlist on the TV. So when I'm watching your playlist on the TV, you will see a subscription as well coming from that account, and you will see improvement in your watch hours, right? So I'm gonna look about, I'm gonna help my daughter, yeah, cause we will be late eventually. That's the beauty. Yeah. Good morning. How is your morning? 19 past 6. Hope all is well. Thank you for joining my live. How is your morning going this morning? Hope all is well, guys. Yeah, so I don't know if you hear what I just said a while ago. I'll be watching playlists. I normally do, but I am announcing it that I'll be watching playlists for persons. So if you're looking for someone to help you with achieving your goal for watch hours, I will play your playlist so you can get your watch hours up. Yeah, so just let me know so I'll just leave it on the TV to run until it finish, right? And you'll get a new sub as well from that account. That's my daughter account, Shabina Malcolm. Yeah, so when you get the subscription from that account, that's the name you will see right? That's my daughter. So good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So you're looking for watch hours, A and I will help you to work on that goal. Yeah, right? So just watch a little video, comment to say that I need watch hours, you're close to monetization, and you need your watch hours. You have your playlist set up already, because that's where we're gonna work from, the playlist. So once your playlist set up already, you can let me know so that I will watch your playlist to help you reach the goal, get your watch hours up. Yeah. So guys, hope your day goes great today. Yeah, I carry my daughter go to school. So I can't do a long live this morning because it's almost 6:30 already. Oh, I don't know the time I fly so fast, Watch it, 6:21. So guys, I will see you guys later on. So if per se when I come back, I can do a midday live, I do a midday live. Talk to you guys some more. Yeah. And later on, if no music now playing at the 6 o'clock, 6 p.m., I'll be doing my 6 p.m. live. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe when you watch anything at all, whether a shorts, a video, or a live stream. You can share it out to someone. So guys, good morning again. Hope your day goes well today. This is a short one this morning from A and I don't want to be late. So guys, watch hours, watch hours. I want to help you guys with your watch hours. So just let me know so I can start. Yeah. So I have one person already where I go play it today. Yeah. So see you guys later on. Thank you so much for joining. Hope your day goes well today.